Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. Today is a beautiful day. It's Tuesday and it's gorgeous outside. I was just outside enjoying the sun. So today I thought I'd read you a book that my father-in-law let me borrow. It's called Some Babies Are Wild. It's by Marion Dane Bauer and the pictures are by Stan Tequila. Some babies are soft. What do you think that is? It's a bunny rabbit, isn't it? It's got little ears because it's just a baby. Some babies are prickly. Some babies are very slow. Look at those turtles. And some move quickly. Some live underground. Look at, he's got a little hole right there that he lives in. Some live inside a tree. Look at all those raccoons. 1, 2, 3 in a tree. Some live in a house just like you and me. Look at the birdhouse with all the babies. Some babies awaken with the first daylight. Look at all of those pretty babies. Some of them are up in the middle of the night. 3 owls. Some babies like to climb. It's a bear up in a tree. Some like to cling. Look at, they're holding on to each other. Possums hold on to their mom's backs and the moms will walk around with them on their backs. Some hang on tight. Uh-oh, he's gonna fall off. And some take wing. He's jumping down. Some babies are light and some are dark. Some eat bright berries. And some munch on bark. Look at them. They're eating the bark off the tree. Most babies like to discover one another. Look at the raccoons and the deer. But all babies love mama. Look at the baby bear, black bears. And mama loves baby too. This is a gray wolf. Just as your mama loves you. Look at, there's 2 people walking in the forest. That would be really fun to do. And then these are all the animals. Eastern cottontail, North American porcupine, a painted turtle, a cougar, a coyote, northern raccoon, an eastern bluebird, an American goldfinch, an owl, a wood duck, a possum, a bear, a domestic chicken, a beaver, deer, gray wolf. And those are the 2 people who wrote and took the pictures. And I hope you guys really enjoyed that book because it was a lot of fun. It had a lot of really cool animals in it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.